Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. We're doing a crowd favorite video today, and that's getting styled by people who don't have social media. I think that this is such just a fun way to look at my clothes. I've already done this video with my mom, boyfriend Brandon, but today we are getting styled by my dad, who obviously does not get served any fashion content on social media, watches, I think, all of my videos, and my best friend Katie, who does not have Instagram interest. Maybe she does, but I think it's for like interiors maybe. I don't know. Do I know anything about my friend? And she watches some of my videos. I know she doesn't watch all of them, but she will be watching this one. I have a, what I like to call chronically online closet. A lot of my closet has trends and things that normal people would think are ugly. It's just fun to see what people without the like over-consuming power of online fashion media decide to style me in. So I'm really excited. I haven't seen these outfits. Yeah, we're just gonna see what they came up with. I can already tell they're different than what I wear, and that's what's fun. I use the app Index to have them style me, so all of my clothes are uploaded on this app and they get to choose that way. I do personal styling on Index, and yeah, it just shows that like having a new set of eyes on your closet will spark like new creativity, even if you don't necessarily like the outfits that the other person comes up with. This is the first outfit with this bag. So we're gonna go through Katie's outfits first. Katie's the same age as me, we're 26. I've known Katie since I was 2 years old, so we grew up in the same area. I feel like that gives some perspective on who's styling me. Yeah, if you guys have any other of my friends or like just people you want to style me, let me know in the comments and I can definitely make that happen. I would describe Katie's style as more feminine, flattering, practical though, but cutesy. I feel like her favorite store to shop at right now is like for Love and Lemons, and she always gets like the most beautiful dresses on there. Here's the first look though. We have this thrifted little green top. This feels very Katie. I feel like if she had it, she'd wear it all the time. She picked out these little kitten heels from Cezanne, and then my blue suede bag from Quince. And I think that this outfit's adorable. Would I ever put it together? No. I think like these shoes and this skirt I would put together. And this shirt, I just like don't really reach for it, but it's honestly so cute and I don't know why I don't reach for it. I tied it in the back because it's too big on me. That's probably why. Yeah, I think that this is a really cute look. She also added in my earrings to match the green, I think. And probably the blues together and green. It's really, really cute. Good job, Katie. I love it. How would I wear it myself? Probably just a white t-shirt instead of this shirt. And I think that would actually like make it look worse, but that's how I genuinely would have picked it out in my own closet. Let's do the next look. Okay, here is the beginning of the next look. We have my Orson Iris bustier top, which feels so Katie, just like very girly, flattering, cutesy. I feel like she likes bows, she likes ribbons, all that kind of stuff. This top didn't fit me for so long, postpartum, and it finally is fitting me again. So like I need to wear it, and especially wear it more casually because it's just so beautiful. I wish honestly that like I could take the bows off and put them on though, because like for day to day, these ribbons are a lot. Maybe I could figure out a way to do that. Then we've got these baggy jeans, which I wouldn't pair with this top, but I think looks really good. And my pink ballet flats. I love that she made it so girly. And then she added this brown purse, which I feel like the bows match, like the bows on the shoes, the bows on the shoulder, the bows on the bag. And it looks adorable like this. I would 1000% wear this. And I feel like it is such a cute outfit and I would never think to put it on. So I'm really impressed with this one. I really, really like it. I know it seems like kind of basic maybe. It's a bustier in jeans, like that's so what people wear. But something about all these colors together, it just works really well. I wouldn't have thought to put the brown bag with it and the pink ballet flats. I would have done black and black. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. She also added on top though, this little pink sweater. And I don't know if she wants it zipped or unzipped, so let's see both ways. I'm gonna guess unzipped if she's putting this bustier under it. And the thing is, I never wear this unzipped. I'm a zip to the top, you guys know. But I think that it looks cute unzipped, like a jacket more so instead of a like sweater. Really cute, Katie, good job. I wanna do Katie's closet. As soon as she was like scrolling, adding all my outfits, she was like, I wanna do this with mine. It's so fun and like easy to put outfits and see things together. I was like, I know, I've been telling everybody Like, you need to digitally catalog your closet. Is that what they call it? Okay, last Katie outfit. I mean, like, let's do the last Katie outfit. We got one more. Okay, here is the start of Katie's third and final outfit. These sleeves feel so Katie as well. Funny, like, I feel like I've never really thought of how to describe Katie. Oh wait, my earrings. I've never really thought how to describe Katie's style, and when I was like going into this video, I was thinking, what would she gonna pick from my closet? I know sometimes I'll put things on and Katie's like, that's weird. And Katie's style is just cute. Like, that's how I describe it. So this is the base of it. If you add my basket bag with anything, I'm gonna love it. I never styled this Ganni shirt, and I actually adore how it looks. Little kind of like 70s-esque skirt with the buttons all up the front. This is from Cezanne. It's new to me, so I haven't styled it yet. These shoes are 7 or 9. They are so comfy. And like, I just love that it's all blue. That's so fun. The shoes are like kind of denim skirt and then blue. And then this color just always goes so well. Also, if you haven't noticed, looked like I was gonna show you engagement ring. Never. My nails, a 2-year-old painted them. So then Katie said she wanted me to add my little cape over top, my poncho capey thing. But she said she wanted it unbuttoned, but I think I have to at least button one or it won't really stay on. Let's see. This is how Katie envisioned the outfit, and I think it's adorable. Good job, Katie. It's so cute. I could see her wearing this for sure. Like, it's just adorable. Even like to the earrings, it just adds this vintage flair. Lotion my knees. So please don't look at that. Yeah, Katie did amazing though. This outfit's actually like the least surprising to me for Katie. I think how I would change it is probably just like black ballet flats instead of all the blue. I really do like all the blue, and like I feel like she matched the earrings. It's just cute to see like the thought process. If I do a styling thing for you guys on the app Index, I'll have like a full thing of notes so you know exactly why I put what together and what my thought process was and how you can like recreate it with other items, because I didn't like pay them through Index. There was no option for notes. Katie or my dad just kind of had to tell me or let me know what they wanted. Good job, Katie. Next, we're gonna do my dad. Going into this, I thought my dad was gonna dress me a lot more masculine. Cool is how I would describe it, but I'm very surprised with what he picked out. And like, I don't really know how they're gonna look because I haven't tried them on or like really looked at them together as a whole. I'm surprised. My dad does have good taste and good style when it comes to men's fashion. I don't know so much about women's fashion, but then again, he's like bought my mom things in the past, like without her there, and he picks out cool stuff. He buys cool stuff for me all the time, but I do think it has like a masculine flair. I adore, like I tend to dress like super hyper feminine, or what's the other word? Androgynous. I'm excited. Also, for context, my dad is, how old is my dad? 61? I think he's 61 now. 61. He grew up on a farm. Is an artist though, so he is very creative and like has a good eye for things. Okay, so he did not pick out a purse for this one. It's just so unbelievably random for my dad to pick something like this out. I can't imagine me wearing this and him being like, oh, I like your outfit, because he definitely like compliments my outfit sometimes. I would never imagine him saying he likes my outfit wearing this. Is this him telling me he wants me to get like a corporate job? I don't know why, it's just like funny to me. It's cute, it's chic, it's just so random. If I was to wear this, I would never pair these like kitten heels with it. These kitten heels are so fun and flirty and like cutesy with the little bow at the toe. I would do like a cutesy top if I wanted to wear them with like a boot cut pant. Mostly I'd wear them with like a skirt, a mini skirt or a maxi skirt or a mini dress or something, like dress them up more. With this, I'd probably do like my taekwondos, my silver taekwondo sneakers. So this is just random. But I like the black top underneath the cardigan, and I like it with these pants, honestly. Just like I would do tennis shoes to like casualify it, because this looks, it's just like too dressy with the shoe. But the shoe could work in another way, I don't know. Good job, Pop. Thanks for doing this for me, and I'm sorry if I'm being mean. Let's do the next outfit. I like to show these outfits without the jacket and then with the jacket, because I feel like it can really change up the look. He added this, like, I'm so surprised by everything he does. He added this velvet tank with some wide leg, light wash jeans, silver kitten heels. I know he really likes these. He's said that to me before, so that's not so much surprising. My suede Coach bag. And at first I was like looking at this bag with all this, and I would never pair these two together because in my head they don't go together, but the silver on the bag and like the studs actually do work with this, and I like the blues with the suede always and denim with suede. So I like this. He added these sunglasses or these glasses, which again, I just like find funny that he would do that, but I really do like this. Then he added a jacket on top, so let me show you. This jacket he actually got my mom, like he picked it out for her. I stole it from my mother. Not surprised he picked it out. I would assume he wants it open. Always wear my stuff buttoned because I'm Lily Rose Depp. So this tank top, it just like feels like it's a little too long, which this is none of like their faults when this stuff happens because it's kind of hard to not know exactly how everything's gonna sit on the app. And that's just like up to me kind of fix. But see how those lines just work better? The tank top being longer didn't look as good. So I can tuck it in the back easy and you wouldn't even see it. Like the jacket with this velvet, I just know I would never wear the two together because I wear this jacket as a top. I don't wear it as a jacket. It's buttoned to the top like that. But it's cute. Even with the purse, it's cute. Good job, Pop. I would never, ever, 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 ever pick this out. I was gonna style it. Maybe I would wear it without the jacket, honestly. I don't think I'd pick it out, but I would wear it. But with the jacket on, I would just button it up. I'd wear both, honestly. Good job, Pop. I like it. This one was better than the last one. Okay. And the last one for my dad. Here's the final look for my dad. And this one's so funny because I definitely would have worn this part of it to a T in like 2020. I feel like I was obsessed with these Izod pants that are kind of like Dickies with like a super feminine frilly top. I wish this one was a little longer, then I'd wear it more. I tend to wear it with something high-waisted. I love it with Mary Jane. And then he did my big sunglasses, but these are the same color scheme, so I'm gonna do these because those ones are in my car. I don't drive my car when I'm not with a girl because it's a minivan. I leave Brandon with it and I take his car, so those sunglasses aren't here. Then we've got this big belt, which like never would I do this. But I feel like this belt can be kind of deceiving how big it looks on my, like online on Index, taking a photo of it. And then he has this military style jacket, which is random. I feel like I'm so mean. I question everything, but it's super cute. Like it's totally fine. This shirt is not long enough. That's just like a preference thing. I don't want my belly out, especially if I'm wearing a more wintry jacket. I think that this outfit's really cute. I like the heart earrings matching the heart on the belt. I feel like he probably did that on purpose. Yeah, I think it's pretty cute. He did a good job. He actually did really well. Before we get any further into this video, let's take a quick minute to talk about Squarespace. Another year of me talking about one of my favorite companies, and that's Squarespace. I have been using Squarespace now for, oh my god, this is my 9th year using Squarespace and having a Squarespace website. I've used it as a portfolio for job searching, having my resume on there. I've used it as an online store. I've used it as a blog. Squarespace is so much more than just a website builder. A new feature on Squarespace is their design intelligence. It's 2 decades of industry-leading design expertise and cutting AI technology to unlock your strongest potential. It makes it so easy to design your website, figure out your branding, and have everything cohesive and all in one place. Squarespace also has a blueprint AI. You can start a fully custom on-brand website with their AI builder. It will ask you a few questions and take in all your answers, creating the most perfect website for you and your brand. It feels cohesive, it gives you options to play around with, giving you a website that just encompasses the feel of your brand. Ton of work, because building a website without Squarespace is impossible. I've tried it before, it's impossible. Don't try it, just use Squarespace. I know so many of you guys end up using Squarespace for online portfolios or job searching, which was one of my favorite ways. I know with the start of the new year, we have new hobbies or new things we want to try out, and online stores can be a big goal for the new year and can feel really intimidating, but Squarespace makes it easy. Showcase your products and customize your product listings with images, videos, reviews, related products, and add-ons that help you make more sales. The Squarespace commerce platform makes managing everything from inventory to sales and customers simple. Print shipping labels directly through Squarespace and save time when you're fulfilling orders. Having your own Squarespace website opposed to selling other places literally just cuts out the middleman. I really recommend it if you're an online seller for like vintage clothes or literally anything else, product services. So if you guys don't have your Squarespace website set up yet,
you can use the link in my description box or go to squarespace.com/LanieOzark to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using code LanieOzark.
I'm just always so surprised by how other people look at my closet, especially like people in my life that I'm close to, and see how I dress. I didn't tell them to like make it things I would like or how I would wear them or how they would wear them. They just like literally were playing with my clothes, and this is what they came up with. So I'm really happy with this video. If you guys want to see it again, I can definitely do it. I can always do it for friends who have social media, aren't like in the online fashion world, or I could do it for friends who do. Let me know if there's somebody in my life you want to see style me, or other influencers maybe I could reach out to. And yeah, these jackets are so weird because there's holes in the armpits. They're good if you're like really sweaty, but how silly does that look? Okay, that's it for this video though. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.